Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Anchal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So students, I was not well, so that's why I was not able to take your classes on the Thursday and the Friday. So today again I am with you all to start with the syllabus. Actually we have already completed our syllabus, but today as you know that we are already doing the revision, and I am here with you to start with the revision once again. So let's begin with it. So the next topic for the revision is inventions go places, given at page number 36. Inventions go places, that is the next topic given at page number 36. I'll just write on the topic INVENTI, invention, not invention, but inventions go places, given at page number 36. So class, kindly open your books at page number 36, that is inventions go places. Starting with the first one, that is James Watt, an inventor from the Scotland, developed a steam engine in the 18th century. The picture is also given. Okay, this is the first steam engine that was invented by James Watt. Okay, ये एक स्कॉटलैंड से थे, जो जेम्स वॉट थे, he was from Scotland. Okay, and he has invented the steam engine in the 18th century. तो इन्होंने 18th century में steam engine invent किया था. Okay, and he was from Scotland. Okay, as you can see in the picture, a model of the steam engine is also given below. Okay, so the question can be who invented steam engine. Question का आएगा, question आ सकता है बेटा ऐसे भी, that who invented steam engine, that is James Watt. Okay. Second, do you know how motorcycles were invented? In 1884, Edward Butler attached a motor to a tricycle. The next year, Gottlieb Daimler of Germany attached a small petrol-run engine to a bicycle. These two were the first motorcycles. तो पहले जिस नेक्स्ट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट जिस नेक्स्ट इन्वेंशन की हम बात कर रहे हैं, कि क्वेश्चन है कि क्या आप जानते हैं कि जब मोटरसाइकिल दैट मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आर यूजिंग नाउअडेज, वो इन्वेंट कैसे हुई? दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. तो क्या बता रहे हैं हम इसके बारे में? इन द ईयर 1884 में क्या हुआ? एडवर्ड बटलर अटैच्ड अ मोटर टू अ ट्राईसाइकिल. उन्होंने एक ट्राईसाइकिल, जो 3 पहियों की साइकिल होती है उसको ट्राईसाइकिल बोला जाता है बेटा, उस पर एक मोटर अटैच कर दी. ओके, उस पर उन्होंने मोटर अटैच की. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट ईयर गॉटलेब डेल्मर, वो जर्मनी से थे, उन्होंने उसी ट्राईसाइकिल जिस पे की मोटर अटैच थी, उन्होंने एक पेट्रोल से रन करने वाला इंजन भी एक बाइसिकल के साथ ऐड ऑन कर दिया. सो उन्होंने उस जो ट्राईसाइकिल थी उसकी जगह उन्होंने एक बाइसिकल के ऊपर पेट्रोल से चलने वाला इंजन अटैच कर दिया. These two were the first motorcycles. तो ये पहली दो मोटरसाइकिल्स थी. देखिए फर्स्ट क्या किया था इन्होंने, एडवर्ड बटलर ने क्या किया था, उन्होंने एक ट्राईसाइकिल पे he had attached a motor. So उन्होंने एक एडवर्ड बटलर ने he had attached a motor to a tricycle, whereas the next year Gottlieb Daimler from the Germany, he has attached a motor run engine to a bicycle. So these two are the first two motorcycles ever invented. Okay, next one is Carl Benz. Carl Benz from the Germany designed the first practical automobile powered by a petrol engine in 1885. He named it the motor wagon. Okay. जो कार्ल बेंज थे, ही वॉज ऑल्सो फ्रॉम द जर्मनी. ओके, उन्होंने सबसे पहले पेट्रोल से चलने वाले इंजन के साथ एक ऑटोमोबाइल बनाया था. ओके, सो यू कैन सी द पिक्चर ऑफ द मोटर वैगन ऑल्सो. दिस इज गिवन हियर. दिस इज द फर्स्ट मोटर वैगन डिजाइन बाय कार्ल बेंज. ही हैज अटैच्ड अ मोटर petrol run engine, not motor, petrol run engine, okay, to that wagon in the year 1885. okay, and इन्होंने इसको क्या नाम दिया, motor wagon, and he named it as a motor wagon. Next one is the Wright brothers. Yes, the Wright brothers, you must be knowing about them. Orley and the Wilbur, the two American brothers who invented and built the world's first aeroplane. They were also the first to fly to the plane for only 12 seconds and for a distance of 37 meters. So Wright brothers, you know them very well. So these were the first two, they were the brothers who invented the aeroplane. इन्होंने ही जो एरोप्लेन का जो इन्वेंशन है, that was done by the Wright brothers. Okay, that the Wright, W-R-I-G-H, that is their surname. Okay, but their name was Orwell and the Wilbur. These were their names. Orwell Wright and Wilbur Wright. These are the brothers who invented the aeroplane. Okay, and इन्होंने दुनिया का सबसे पहला एरोप्लेन बनाया था. They were also the first to fly the plane. So they were also the first person who has flied over the plane. So these two brothers were the first person who has flied over the plane. Okay, and they have flied for near about 12 seconds only, and in that 12 seconds they have flied up to 37 meter. तो उन्होंने 12 seconds की ही उड़ान भरी थी अपने प्लेन जो इन्होंने इन्वेंट किया था, बट उस 12 seconds में दे हैव फ्लाइड अप टू 37 मीटर. तो उन्होंने 37 मीटर तक अपनी जो उड़ान भरी थी. सो इन द बिलो यू कैन सी द पिक्चर, द फर्स्ट फ्लाइट of the Wright brothers. You can see in the picture given below. This was the first flight or the first aeroplane that was invented by the Wright brothers. Next one is the Richard Trevithick. Richard Trevithick of Britain built the first working railway engine in the year 1803. He was powered by the steam. In the 1820s, George Stephenson designed and built the first steam locomotive to carry goods and passengers. So Richard Trevithick was a person from the Britain. So Richard Trevithick was the first person from the Britain. Okay. So he built the first working railway engine. तो उन्होंने सबसे पहला वर्किंग रेलवे इंजन इन्वेंट किया था इन द ईयर 1803. ओके, और दैट रेलवे इंजन दैट रन थ्रू द स्टीम. जो उन्होंने रेलवे इंजन डिज़ाइन किया था, जो उन्होंने इन्वेंट किया था, तब दैट वाज वो किस पे चलता था, स्टीम पे. ठीक है, भाप पे. ओके, इन द 1820s जॉर्ज स्टेफेंसन. ओके, सो 1820s में जॉर्ज स्टेफेंसन ने फर्स्ट स्टीम लोकोमोटिव इन्वेंट किया था. or from that, and with that steam locomotive, they started carrying the passengers and the goods as well. Okay, so in the 1820s, George Stephenson designed and built the first steam locomotive, and with that steam locomotive they can easily carry the goods and the passengers as well. Okay, so in the picture you can see a model of the Travniks engine built in the year 1803. Next is the modern tricycle. The modern tricycle, a 3-wheel chair, was developed in 1655 by the Stephen Pfaffler, a disabled watchmaker in Germany. He used it as a wheelchair to move around. The first tricycle with pedals was built by the two Frenchmen, Blanchard and the Menguer, in the year 1789. Okay, so the next जिसकी हम बात करें, we are talking about a first tricycle. So first tricycle was invented in the year 1655, and this tricycle, or you can 3-wheel chair. Actually, this is a wheelchair, not a tricycle. It is a wheelchair actually. Okay, and this wheelchair was invented by Stephen Pfaffler, and he was a disabled watchmaker, so he was not able to move. Okay, so what he invented this wheelchair in the year 1655. Okay, and later on after inventing this, he was able to move himself from one place to another. Okay, so with the help of his hand he started moving the wheels. Okay, if you have ever seen in the movies also, आपने देखा होगा, आपने आजकल भी देखा होगा, अगर आपने कभी देखा हो, तो जो डिसेबल लोग होते हैं, they move their chair with their hands or with the pedals. Okay, so this was a wheelchair. Okay, that was invented by Stephen Pfaffler in the year 1655. Okay, but जो ट्राइसाइकिल जिसकी हम बात करें, जो कि पैडल से चलाते हैं, that was invented by the Blanchard and the Menguer in the year 1789. Okay, so as you can see, the picture of the first tricycle is also given. Next is quick quiz. Quick quiz is there. It is a railway system where a train runs on a track with one rail only, either above or beneath the railway cars. तो देखिए नेक्स्ट जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं ना, क्विक क्विज. दिस इज अ रेलवे सिस्टम विद अ ट्रेन रन्स ऑन अ ट्रैक with one rail only, either above or beneath the railway cars. Okay, so this is the monorail. You have if you have ever visited to the Mumbai, here the monorail runs there. Okay, तो वहाँ पे ऐसे अपनी नॉर्मल ट्रेन्स क्या होती हैं, दे रन आउट टू वो 2 लाइंस के ऊपर चलती है. जो ट्रेन होती है वो जो लाइंस होती हैं उनके ऊपर चलती है, ट्रैक्स के ऊपर चलती है. बट दिस मोनोरेल दैट रन्स ऑन अ सिंगल कार्स और सिंगल ट्रैक यू कैन से. और ये कई लाइक दिस इज अ ट्रैक, तो कई ट्रेन्स जो होती हैं इसके ऊपर चलती हैं एंड सम रन बिहाइंड दिस ऑल्सो. तो वो नीचे से जस्ट लाइक दिस, जैसे कई बार वो ऐसे नीचे से अटैच्ड होती हैं और कई जगह वो ऊपर से अटैच्ड होती हैं. सो दीज ऑल आर नोन एज द मोनोरेल्स. ओके, इन मुंबई आई थिंक दिस इज is functioning. Okay, so this railway system where a train runs on a track with one rail only. तो इसमें सिर्फ एक one rail या one track होता है. ठीक है, either beneath or below the railway cars. तो वो या तो ऊपर चलती है या तो नीचे. Okay, that is a monorail. Answer number 1 is monorail. That is monorail. rail. Second one, a form of transportation where a cabin hangs from one cable and pulled by the another cable. Okay, if you have seen, if you have visited to the hilly areas, ever visited to the hilly areas, so जिसको हम केबल कार भी बोलते हैं. So in उसमें क्या होता है कि टू साइड बाय साइड टू केबल्स होती हैं एंड अ कैबिन इज हैंगिंग देयर. सो एक कैबिन की उससे रोप क्या होता है, जो कैबिन है वो आगे को मूव करता है एंड द सेकेंड रोप वो मतलब दीज टू आर रेज एंड जो आगे वाली आगे जाती है, वन ऑफ द रोप मूव्स फॉरवर्ड द अनदर वन मूव्स बैकवर्ड. ओके, दैट इज अ रोप वे, जिसको आपने इफ़ यू हैव विजिटेड मतलब मोस्टली आपको ये जो ये केबल कार्स हैं या रोप वेज हैं, यू कैन सी इट इन द हिली एरियाज. सो हिली एरियाज में क्या होता है, हाई पॉइंट पे ये टंगी होती है द केबल कार्स एंड पीपल दे विजिट टू द हायर पॉइंट्स ऑन द हिल्स थ्रू दीज केबल कार्स. ओके, सो दैट इज अ रोप वे. गिवन एट सेकेंड नंबर, दैट इज रोप वे. ROPE, rope way. Moving next to the third one. This vehicle can travel both over land and water. So the next vehicle जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं, ये पानी और सड़क दोनों पे चल सकता है. So the next vehicle we are talking about that can travel over both land and water. So what is the name of this vehicle? So the name of this vehicle is hovercraft. So the vehicle that can run on both land and water is known as hovercraft. The spelling is HOVERCRAFT, hovercraft. That is hovercraft. Next, this vehicle is used by astronauts and the space explorers. So next vehicle जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं वो astronauts हैं जो वो use करते हैं इस vehicle को. Okay, when they visit to the space, okay, or when they want to send a satellites into the space, so they use this vehicle. So what is the name of this vehicle? The name of this vehicle is Space Shuttle. So the name of this vehicle is Space Shuttle. SPACE, Space Shuttle. SHUTTLE. So Space Shuttle is used by the astronauts and for exploring the space and when they make a visit to the space as well. Okay, so these are the answers from the quick quiz given at page number 37. You can note it down. Okay, so this was the topic given at page number 36, invention go places. Okay, one thing class, that questions can be asked from in between the book also. ये नहीं कि जो already आपको quick quiz में आया है, only that thing will be asked. Questions can be asked from in between also. बीच में से भी आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है that who invented the first tricycle, what was the name of the person who invented the first tricycle, okay, in which year they invented. All these questions can be asked as well. Okay, so this was the topic. Next move to the next topic, that is given at page number 42, body talk. So class, kindly open your books at page number 42, that is body talk. I will just write on the topic, that is body, BODY, body talk. This is the next topic given at page number 42, body talk. Okay, so kindly open your books at page number 42, body talk. चलिए, now moving next the topic body talk. This is our revision class, okay? So let's read out the heading first. Here are some questions about our wonderful body. Pick your answers from the help box. The first one is, which is the largest external organ in the human body? Human body में सबसे largest external organ कौन सा है? Which is the largest external? External means बाहरी. Okay, that is present outside our body. Okay, देखिए some organs are internals that are present inside our body, inside our the skin and bones. The organs which are present inside the skin and bones are known as internal organs, and the organs which are out of this skin are known as external organs. Okay, so the question is, which is the largest external organ in the human body? एक ह्यूमन बॉडी में सबसे बड़ी, सबसे लार्जेस्ट एक्सटर्नल ऑर्गन कौन सा है? दैट इज स्किन. स्किन मीन्स दिस वन, दिस इज आवर स्किन. स्किन, हमारा जो स्किन है, दैट इज द स्किन. स्किन इज द लार्जेस्ट एक्सटर्नल ऑर्गन इन योर ह्यूमन बॉडी. सो राइट डाउन द आंसर of the first one, that is skin. S-K-I-N. Skin is the largest. Skin is the largest external organ in the human body. Second one, what is the name of the thick bone cage that protects our brain? Okay, हमारे ब्रेन को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए एक बोन का बना हुआ केज है. केज मीन्स दैट पिंजरा जिसको हम बोलते हैं. सो जस्ट लाइक दैट टू प्रोटेक्ट. ओके, जस्ट लाइक एनिमल्स आर केप्ट इन केज, ओके, इन जू, ओके, सो दैट दे कांट हार्म द पीपल हु कम देयर फॉर अ विजिट. जस्ट लाइक दैट अवर ब्रेन इज ऑल्सो प्रोटेक्टेड बाय द लेयर्स ऑफ डिफरेंट बोन्स. ओके, जो हमारा ब्रेन है वो उसको हमारे बोन्स, बहुत सारी बोन्स हैं जिन्होंने एक पिंजरे की तरह, जैसे वर्क एज अ केज फॉर द ब्रेन. ओके, ओके, सो देन व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द थिक बोन केज दैट प्रोटेक्ट्स अवर ब्रेन? दैट इज स्कल, जिसको हम खोपड़ी बोलते हैं. ओके, सो द स्कल is a thick bone cage that protects the brain of a human body. Okay, so that is the cage of the cage. वो एक ऐसा जो स्कल है वो हमारे ब्रेन का एक केज है, एक पिंजरा है जिसमें कि हमारा ब्रेन बंद है. ओके, सो दैट इज स्कल. SKULL. SKULL. स्कल. Skull. Moving next to the third one, which muscles helps to digest food? कौन सी मसल है जो हमारा खाना डाइजेस्ट करने में हेल्पफुल होती है? सो व्हाट इज द which muscle helps to digest food? That is smooth. Smooth is the muscle, okay, that helps to digest our food. So the muscle that helps to digest our food is known as smooth. देखिए मसल की बात हो रही है यहाँ पे. We are not talking about any juices and anything about. We are talking about the muscles. So there are some muscles also which help human body to digest their food. तो कुछ हमारी जो मसल्स भी होती हैं जो कि हमारा खाना हजम करने में डाइजेस्ट का मीन्स दैट दे हेल्प्स टू खाना हजम करने में हमारा हेल्प करती है. दैट इज स्मूथ. SMOOTH. SMOOTH. Smooth helps the human. The smooth muscle help to digest the food. Next is, through which organ? So the fourth is, through which organ does food go from the mouth to the stomach? Yes, कौन से ऑर्गन से जो हमारा खाना है हमारे मुंह से होता हुआ हमारे पेट तक जाता है? With which organ the food grows from our mouth to our stomach. अब देखिए जब हम खाना खाएंगे दैट जनरली यू कांट थ्रो योर, तो आप ऐसा तो नहीं आप अपना खाना यहाँ खाएंगे वो डायरेक्ट पेट में चला जाएगा, नो. सो दैट फूड ऑल्सो मूव्स थ्रू सम ऑर्गन. ठीक है, जो हमारा खाना हमारे मुंह से हमारे स्टमक में जाता है, स्टमक मीन्स पेट तक जाता है, तो वो किसी ऑर्गन के थ्रू जाता है. सो व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दैट ऑर्गन? सो द नेम ऑफ दैट ऑर्गन इज फूड पाइप. सो द फूड पाइप, with the help of food pipe our food goes from our mouth to our stomach. That is food pipe. FOOD, food pipe. The food goes through food pipe from our mouth. So with the help of food pipe our food goes from our mouth to our stomach. The next one is, how many teeth does an adult have? एक जो adult हैं, how many teeth does an adult have? An adult have 32 teeth. जो एक adult हैं उससे कितने teeth होते हैं? That is 32. So the maximum number of teeth an adult have is 32. An adult have 32 teeth. 32. You can write it in the numbers as well, or if you want to write it in the alphanumeric, you can write it like the 30, THIRTY, 32. So when an adult have 32 teeth. Okay, so these are the answers from question number 1 to 5. Next is, which is the largest internal organ in the human body? So देखिए, in the first question we have discussed about the largest external organ in the human body. In the question number 6 it is given which is the largest internal organ. So that is liver. So liver is the largest internal organ in the human body, whereas the skin is the largest external organ in the human body. So the largest internal organ in the human body is liver. Okay, that is answer number 6. Okay, I'll just erase it. Answer number 6 is liver. Liver is the largest internal organ in a human body. Okay, just remember two things. The largest external organ is skin and the largest internal organ is liver. 7th one, which organ in our body pumps blood? हमारी बॉडी में जो ब्लड है उसको कौन पंप करता है, कौन सा ऑर्गन पंप करता है? दैट इज आवर हार्ट. सो our heart pumps blood in the human body. So the heart pumps blood in the human body. That is heart, जिसको हम दिल बोलते हैं. So heart pumps, HEART, heart pumps blood in the human body. Which organ in our body pumps blood? That is heart, dil. Okay, next is, which part of our body has the maximum number of bones? हमारी बॉडी के किस पार्ट में सबसे ज़्यादा बोन्स हैं? So which part of our body has the maximum number of bones? That is hand. हमारे हाथ में, हमारी बॉडी में सबसे ज़्यादा बोन्स कहाँ हैं? That is in our hand. So the maximum number of bones in our body is in our hands only. That is hand. HAND, hand. So the maximum number of bones in the human body is in hands. So these are the answers from question number 6 to 8. 6th is liver, 7th is heart, and the 8th is hand. Okay. So This was our today's session class. So with this I am just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next class. So till then everybody, have a good day.